my god.
Remove in bin na kayo. Rosas, tapos Oten.
Paano nga ako pa-live?
May
Punta ka na dito, Rib. Maganda content to. Boss Alliance.
may Forsaken din dito sa
Layo
loob
ko
ah.
sa bridge shot ako.
Mag-ano ka na?
Hailey, may
Oh my god,
Forsaken.
ring tool dyan.
They're dismounted. They're
Kaya
dismounted.
come south. Wala pa tayo isang healer. Oten, nasan ka na?
Moving. Umihi ako saglit. Sorry.
They're mounting. They're mounted. They're heading east.
Ayan, meron na.
May scouting.
Labas ka na.
Doing ditang
Scout yung, may isang scout at Infernal.
Itong isang boss.
Disarray.
They are brawl ah.
Do they have disarray? No.
Wala.
So disarray.
No,
Pure
no
brawl.
disarray.
You have only 3 healers. So,
Pure brawl to.
Pabantay sa
dito ka na, Oten.
Ayan.
Andito na ako.
May nakaano sa kanila yung dread, yung bagong mace.
Okay. We're gonna kite this. Dismount guys, dismount on me. Find the crown.
Pabantay na lang sa healer.
Can you catch someone? Come north.
Dismounted.
Okay, full check no?
Hailey, kung
Wait,
kayo,
come west.
Palayo, may nakamas din sa loob ah, Forsaken.
Okay. Come west. Spread.
Ito na ah, move.
OC.
Picking up na sa inyo.
Wait. Yo, pop your pots. Look on me now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Okay, spread. Come south. Spread. Come south, guys. Come south. Drop your Judy. Come south. Walk south. Yo, get out.
Ano naglagawa?
Anong ginawa nyo doon?
Tanginan, tagal ko
Tagal niya.
nag-aantay ng
Nahold ko naman yung backline at women.